This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, Nissan Intelligent Key Entry and Ignition Systems, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, cooled driver and passenger seats, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, roof rails, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.